Welcome and thank you for clicking on this video. We're obviously going to be talking about what is AkMoney.Win to see if it is a paying, legit, real and safe and genuine PTC site, pay to click. They're offering 10 cents per ad and 50% of your referrals earnings. On average, they say you're looking to make about $50 to $300 for 1,000 ads viewed in 1 month. You're looking at $4,800 cash. Right, so let's go on here and we see some names and some payments made in 1 day. So, clicking ads, seems to be a pretty good job. We have a nice little site error down here, fed back instead of feedback. Not good, not professional, sign of a scam right there. They have no facts on their page. They have no privacy policy page. No earnings disclaimer. Wow, I mean, you tell me. Doesn't look good, does it, right? Okay, so the minimum payout is $150. There's an application process you must go through. Once completed, it'll get back to you and say, sorry, you have to wait like 2 or 3 months for your money. So, yeah, good luck with that. Anyway, you can take the express option, which costs about $10. Lovely. That is listed nowhere on their site. If you pay, you're going to the second part of the scam. Now they want 40 of your signups to exchange for your earnings. Total nonsense. Right, if you don't have the signups, then they can sell you 100 fake signups for $9. Once you buy them, the application process is restarted all over again. So they're saying you're getting paid for viewing ads. However, depending on my SEO, if I land above or below this guy on YouTube, he's saying that it's actually not about ads. It's about filling out these captchas, putting codes and all that. So I'm not a member. I never signed up to these guys. I landed on one of their sites before. Yes, one, because they have thousands of sites. And I was like, no, don't trust these guys. I'm not giving them my email address. So it's pretty bizarre. There's thousands of them. The owners hail from Russia. They have a global scam network in place. IP addresses are bouncing all over the planet. Since 2014, they have paid out to exactly no people. 0 cents to 0 people. They are not going to give you a penny for your time and your efforts. Support will probably just ignore you, or they will return communication of, we don't understand, what's the problem, blah blah, crap like that. And that's how they do this, you know. Be careful of YouTube videos saying such sites like AkMoney Win pay out and show you how to cash out and all that rubbish. These are the scammers at work. Okay. So that's pretty much it. You know, if you have been scammed by this website, please comment in the box below. Please like, share, and subscribe. There is a link in the description box for you to have a look at, for your consideration. You'll understand when you see it. Okay, if you have any questions about that or any other thing, just go ahead and ask me in the comment box below. Okay, guys, thanks a lot and take care for now.